Everybody, so here I am at Walmart, and yep, I thought they only have a few on the other aisle, and I walked around the do-it-yourself area and they have a lot of the duct tape. They're not organized, and I'm so tempted to organize them all but I don't think I have the time, and probably nobody else will care. Oh my goodness. And I am trying to decide which ones to take home. I definitely want this one because I don't have this kind. I ran out of the red and I need it. I love them all, so it's really hard for me to decide. But yes, these are all the patterns. And they have a bunch of the bonuses length, which is huge for us, the duct tapers, because you have 2 more yards of tape, and that's awesome because it's the same price. They even have the rainbow. Oh, wait, I'm taking this. Yes, off camera, I guess I can take it. Alright, so yeah, I use this one a lot. Alright, and then, there was one here. Those are bonus length, and the prices do not match whatever's there, so don't pay attention to it. The regular ones are $3.37, and then the licensed ones, I guess that's what it is, are $5.97. I got speechless because I saw this, you guys, but there is no tape of that color. But believe you me, I will find some. Like this one, it's open, but I think they can give it to me at $2. Oh yes. And I will do my best to find these two. The green duct tape, the blue tie-dye, $1.50. Yep, I will find them. There you go.